Alright, today we're going to paint a galaxy, so check it out.
Alright, the question of the day is, what is a silver thaw?
Let's run through the colors.
Titanium white, Mars black, Quin red, Pearly red, burn umber, yellow ochre, primary yellow, phthalo green, Quin blue, ultramarine blue, primary sand.
Let's get the party started.
So we got this painting here. It's got this purple background. We've added some white in here. It's a little bit messy overall, so we're going to darken all these edges in here. These stars are going to go way far in the background as we layer in. And now we're going to blend in gloss into the paint to make this translucent layer. And we're going to make this bright again, so we'll see how it goes. This layer we're going to start introducing some black. So we're going to have some negative space there. Basically what that'll do is make it much more intriguing. You'll add color on top of this to make it, colorful again, but the blackness will kind of just give it that extra dimension. Alright, this layer we're just going to add in more color in here and work into the white layers this time. Alright, so now we've added the arms, so I got to add color in here and then darken the edges and start cleaning this up, so it should be very close to done at this point. Now we're going to work on kind of making this blend a little better. It's gotten a little bit too yellow and it's just kind of generic, so I want to make that darker and have the center really bright, so we'll see how it goes. So a silver thaw is actually an ice storm. So ice storm comes about from, normally you get kind of snow or rain, right? So if you get a super cold rain, almost ice, and then about halfway down it's going to hit a warm front and re-warm up to rain. And at the very last layer, right before it hits the ground, it has a super cold front. It's going to instantly super freeze and then hit the ground and turn to ice straight out. Now this happens about 16 times a year in the Northeast US primarily, but it makes it all the way to the Midwest. It does happen in Russia, obviously, but not too much in Europe. Sometimes in England, but it just doesn't get cold enough. But I think as you get towards Poland and further out towards Russia, you definitely have them. So that's my question of the day. All right, we just finished the painting, so let's take a closer look. So we have a nice dark background and these reds with some highlights on the kind of light streams with the yellow and the white middle. I think overall it's pretty good. I might have had a little better blending between the red, purple, and the pink layers, but yeah, I think it turned out okay. I'm happy with it, so it's ready to go as far as I know. But hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. And if you want to subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.